Hey guys, Andrew McFarland here from StartAJuiceBar.com. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're happy. Hope you're healthy. Today we are talking about trademarking your business. Okay? Why this is important, what you want to think about, things you need to be aware of, all that. Not legal advice, but I'm going to share some things that you probably want to be aware of when it comes to trademarking your company. But before we dive into that, if you guys are new to the channel and you don't know who I am, you don't know what we do, over the last decade, myself and our company has had the pleasure of running our own juice concepts, as well as running our own juice trucks, storefronts, all that, and helping hundreds of entrepreneurs all over the world launch and scale successful juice bars, juice trucks, and all the like healthy cafes, acai bowl businesses, etc. So all the information on this channel is coming from that wealth of experience, early invitation, and subtle demand. Press the like button. As I'm sure you know, these videos do take a lot of time and energy to make. The more you guys like this video, the more I'm inspired to create more content. So thank you for your support. I just love hearing from you guys. So at any point, if you guys want to just tell us that you like the content, you can put it in the comment box below. And then lastly, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. Now that we are past this stage, now we're going to dive into what you are really here for, which is to understand more about trademarking your business, okay? So first, like I said before, I'm not a lawyer, and this is not legal advice. You definitely want to consult with a lawyer when it comes to trademarking your business to do it properly. But what I will tell you is some things that I've learned along the way that might be helpful to understand about trademarking your company. So the first thing to be aware of is that, just to break down trademark, what does that mean? This word, mark, is very important. Sometimes people try to trademark their businesses before they actually even have a mark. You need to have a name, you need to have iconography, because this is what is being marked. The purpose of a trademark is, in the world of commerce, is that so people and customers don't mistake your business for another business. Because if you didn't own a trademark, someone else could come and say, oh, I'm going to have the same name and very same logo, or maybe I'll make some small change of logo, and people are going to think my company is your company. And that's obviously not right, because someone's going to be consuming the value of the brand equity that you created or that some other company created. So trademarks, in essence, are there to make sure people have certain creative intellectual property domain to protect their business property, right? The brand value that they've established. Now, a lot of times people don't understand that even if you file a trademark, anything that you do in business, it doesn't mean that someone can't sue you for their belief that you've infringed on their trademark, okay? But having a lawyer help you check out the trademark, do research on the database, it sort of decreases your chances that someone is going to come and file a lawsuit for trademark infringement. Someone can still do it, but it doesn't mean that the likelihood of that happening is much, much lower. And also the likelihood of you losing that settlement is lower. It's not guaranteed. Nothing is guaranteed. You can still lose a settlement on a trademark lawsuit if someone decides to come after you for that. It can happen. But this reduces the risk of that. And just like I was saying, in my observation and understanding, really all these things are going to get moved towards being done in the legal system. A judge has to decide that you have infringed on someone's trademark, right? Just because someone makes that claim that you have doesn't mean that you officially have been decided that you have. And just like I said before, just because you have a trademark doesn't mean that you're protected from any of that. Now, the one thing that you have to also understand when it comes to changing any of these things, as your business gets bigger, the more liability you have. If, for example, let's say some company comes after you and says, hey, you've infringed on my trademark, you need to change everything. If you're a small company, you don't have a lot of investment in your certain brand equity items. What I would say is, like, you don't have signage, maybe, if you don't have a storefront. You don't have shirts and all these other things, bottle labels and, all the like. So you could change your trademark, you could change your mark and your logo and your name. And although it wouldn't be ideal, it wouldn't be as impactful as if you had 10, 15 stores. I have a friend that's in the industry, and they got to a point where they had a trademark situation come up when their company was reasonably sized. And it cost them a lot of money to change everything, to do a whole rebrand, to repackage their product to actually get the proper trademark filed. I mean, I think it was somewhere around $100,000 to really redo everything that they need to do in their business. So this is why, as you start to get towards a certain scale, And once you really, feel like you're going to take this business seriously in a very sincere approach to the business, I would suggest you go through the process of doing it properly, because the implications of you not doing that are going to be pretty dire when it comes to possibly infringing on someone else's trademark if you haven't done your research and haven't had a lawyer to help you and assist you in this process. So like I said in the very beginning, consult with a lawyer. This progressively gets more meaningful and more important the larger your business is. If you're in a place where you have a very small company and in the worst case scenario, you did have to change things, you have to ask yourself, what's the cost of that? What's that mean? So talk to a lawyer, get it done if you are serious about this business, and you have to have your logo done and everything else. And so you can submit that as part of your trademark, because they need a name, they need a logo, they need a mark, right? They need other attributes if you've got color palettes, fonts, things that really identify your business. If you need support with actually putting a logo together and branding your company, reach out to us. We can do that for you and everything else. Andrew at StartAJuiceBar.com. Would be happy to have that conversation with you. And a couple other things before we jump out of this video. Press the like button if you haven't yet. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you get alerted when we release new content, like I said. And follow us on Instagram at StartAJuiceBar. We have exclusive giveaways that we only release there. And then lastly, if you like podcasts, follow us at the Juice Bar Experts Podcast. It's on Spotify. It's on iTunes. It's on our website. It's everywhere. Check it out. And that's all for now. Hope you guys are happy and healthy. Wishing you guys a lot of success. This is Andrew McFarland with StartAJuiceBar.com. See you in the next video. Take care. Hope you guys have been enjoying the video content. If you are inspired to launch your juice business, but you're not exactly sure what steps to take, for you, we've created a free ebook, 15 Steps to Starting a Juice Business from Scratch. This is going to give you a high-level overview of everything you need to do from where you are now all the way to opening your business. Now, if you want to go even deeper, we've created an online course, the Juice Bar Master Blueprint. This is going to go into great detail into every aspect of starting your business, everything from branding to menu development to finding the right location, the equipment that you need, and so much more, all the way to launching your business. There's links for both of these in the description below. I know you're going to find a lot of value out of them. As always, hope you guys are happy and healthy, wishing you a lot of success, and I'll see you at the next video.